That's right, the AI war is on. Google and OpenAI are now locked in a battle to create the most powerful language model. The winner of this race will have a major advantage in the development of future AI technologies. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about a very exciting development in the world of artificial intelligence. Google has just announced their latest AI project called Gemini, and it's looking to challenge OpenAI's GPT-4 as the most powerful language model on the market. What is Gemini? Gemini is a multimodal AI system that can handle multiple types of data and tasks. It's trained on a massive dataset of text, images, audio, and video. This allows Gemini to understand and generate natural language, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. How does Gemini compare to GPT-4? Gemini is significantly more powerful than GPT-4. It has 1 trillion parameters compared to GPT-4's 175 billion. This means that Gemini can learn more complex patterns and relationships in data. It can also generate more realistic and creative text. Moreover, GPT is offline model, mean to say that GPT has limited knowledge, which already feed in its database, while Gemini is connected to internet and have all the updated knowledge over the internet. What are the implications of Gemini? Gemini has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers. It could be used to create new forms of communication, education, and entertainment. It could also be used to improve the efficiency of businesses and governments. The AI war. The development of Gemini is a major milestone in the AI arms race. Google and OpenAI are now locked in a battle to create the most powerful language model. The winner of this race will have a major advantage in the development of future AI technologies. The future of AI. The future of AI is uncertain, but it is clear that AI will play an increasingly important role in our lives. It is important to start thinking about the potential benefits and risks of AI, so that we can shape its development in a way that benefits humanity. If you're interested in learning more about Gemini, I encourage you to check out the links in the description below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates on the latest AI news. Thanks for watching.